Hey guys, welcome back to Raj Tech India. This video is about how to apply for Happiest Minds IPO in Zerodha by using your Google Pay. To do that, first log in your Zerodha dashboard. Here on top right hand side, you can find your Zerodha ID. Now click on that. Here you can find an option called console. Now click on console. When you click on console, this page will open. Here go to portfolio option in menu. Here you can find another option called IPOs. Now click on IPOs. Here you can see all the listed IPOs which are running now. Here you can see Happiest Minds IPO, on which date it will start, on which date it will end, and the price range and the minimum quantity. To bid for this IPO, click on bid. Here you can see on left hand side, you can see all the IPO details. Here to apply for this IPO, first you need to enter your UPI ID. You can find the UPI ID of yours in your Google Pay account by clicking on your profile photo. I have already applied for previous IPOs, so my UPI ID is already saved here. If you are applying for the first time, then you need to enter your UPI ID. You just log in your Google Pay application and there you can find your UPI ID. After that, you need to select the investor type. Here I am selecting it as individual investor and the only option is there. Here you need to enter the quantity. Here the lot size of this IPO is 90, so I am entering the 90. And if you tick on cutoff price, then the maximum price will be selected. It is 166 rupees. After entering the quantity and selecting the cutoff price, accept the declaration and click on submit. See here, IPO application submitted. The UPI collect request from the bank might be delayed. Accept it to apply whenever you receive the collect request on your UPI app. See, the IPO submission process is not yet completed. You have to log in your Google Pay account. There you need to accept the request of this IPO. For that, you need to go to the mandate option in your Google Pay account. Let's see how to do that. See, I have received my one-time mandate request here. To approve this, login in your Google Pay account and go to settings. Under settings, there is an option called one-time mandate requests. Now click on that. Here you can see one request is pending for the approval. Now click on that and authorize it with your Google Pay PIN. Once you authorize it with your Google Pay PIN, then the request will be accepted and the amount will be put on hold. If the IPO alert to you, then the amount will be deducted from your bank account. Otherwise, the amount will be removed from the hold request from your bank account. So like this, you can also apply for the Happiest Mind Technologies IPO, and it took me almost 30 minutes to receive the mandate request. So if you are also not receiving the mandate request immediately, then you have to wait for at least 30 minutes. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to Raj Tech India. Thank you.